Today I will compare two TV in this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type, panel type, backlight, display size, display resolution, refresh rate, pixel density, display colors, color depth, display brightness, response time, video processor, HDMI variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, consumer electronic control, filmmaker mode, high gig, HDR supports, next connectivity, HDMI ports, USB ports, RJ45 ports, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, 3.5mm audio jack. Next, audio, speakers, HDMI ARC and EARC, stereo speakers, subwoofer, Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos, detach audio. Next, features, operating system, version at operating system updates, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, HomeKit, voice assistance, standby power consumption, voice commands, search browser. Next, design, dimensions, weight, wall mount size, special features, TV tuners, maximum operating temperature,